Everyone, welcome to MoBileMaThS with Gamchirai. Today I want us to look at Inequalities 4, whereby we are going to be looking at Cartesian plane, how we sketch or represent the set of points on a Cartesian plane. So what happens here is this: when we have signs like greater than or less than, we have a broken line that we use to draw to represent the boundary. Okay. Then when we have signs which are greater or equal to, less or equal to, we use a solid. This is a solid boundary, okay, that we use. Then to represent the wanted region, we will leave it without being shaded. It will be clear. Then the unwanted region will be shaded. Okay, so that's the principle that we are going to be using when we are dealing with the Cartesian plane. Okay, let's have a look at an example. So I've got here this inequality: x is greater than minus 1. So what I do, I can draw my y-axis like this. So that is my y-axis. That line, I can label it y because it's y-axis, and I'm going to draw also the x-axis. This is the x-axis. I'll label it x. Now I want to go to a point minus 1. Let me label my graph. I've got minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1 on y, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. Now I want to draw my minus 1. I'll go to minus y because it's on x. I'll go to this line of x. So I'll go to minus 1 on x there. Okay, so that's where I'm going. I will draw a solid. Remember, we said when it's greater than, I'll draw a solid line like this. Then to shade the wanted region, we are saying x is greater than minus 1. So it is taking numbers. The x values are going to be 0, 1, 2, and so on. So this is the wanted region. We'll leave it clear. Then I'll shade the unwanted region, which is this one. So I'm shading the unwanted region like this. Okay, so this is how we do it, how we represent x on the Cartesian plane like that. Okay, then let's have another example. I've got x is greater than 2. So I'll draw my y-axis and my x-axis. So I'm going to take it a little bit on the left because I want x is 2 there. So this is my y. And I can take my x there. This is my x. I'm going to label minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the x-axis, minus 1, minus 2 on the y-axis, 1, 2. So it's like when you're going from this point here, this point is the 0. When you're going this direction on x, there are positive values. Then when you're going this direction, there are negative values on the x. Then when you're going down like that, there are negative values on the y, and when you're going up, there are positive values on the y-axis. So basically that is what we are doing there. Now let's draw our graph. Okay, so I want to go to a point of 2 there. This is where my 2 is, and we are saying x is less than. So x is going to take values of 1, 2, 0, minus 1. So it's going down. So if this side is going to be the wanted region, okay, then the line is going to be broken because we have got less than sign there. Okay, so let's draw our broken line. This is our broken line like that. Then we said this is the wanted region, so we'll shade the unwanted region. This is the unwanted region. I'm shading the unwanted region. So you should shade nicely and uniformly so that it's appealing to the eye like this. So that's how you draw that graph. Let's do another one. I've got x is greater than -2, so I'm going to have minus. So I'll take my graph somewhere here. Okay, then I'll have my x like this. This is my x, this is my y. Then this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. Okay, so we want to go to a point where we have -1, -2, so it's this point, and it's greater than, so x is taking -1, 1, 0, 1, 2, and so this is the wanted region. Fine, I'll draw my broken line and shade the unwanted region. This is the unwanted region there. Okay, so that's how we do it. Let's go to another example. Okay, I've got y. Okay, good. This time we are dealing with y. Y is less than 3. So I'll draw my y. This is my y. Since I want 3, I'll have it like somewhere there. Okay, let me have it down. So this is my x here. This is my y. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2 on y, 1, 2, 3, 4 on x, -1, -2, -3, -4 on x. Now we want to go to 3 on y. This is the 3 on y, this one. And our line is going to be a straight line which is solid because we've got this sign there, less or equal to. Then which region is wanted? We are saying x is less than, so it's taking values. Our y is less than that, so our y is taking values of 2, 1, 0. It's down here. So this is the wanted region. So we are going to shade the unwanted region. Let's shade. This is the unwanted region. Okay, so that's the unwanted region there, like that. So that's how we draw this one when it's y. Let's have another y. Oh, we are dealing with 6 now. So let me have my graph somewhere where I can have, I think I can draw the x here and draw the y somewhere here. Okay, then I'm going to use a scale of 2 instead of 1 because I'm dealing a 6 there. So I'll use a scale of 2, 4, 6, 8 there. -2, -4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. -2, -4, -6, like that. Because I want to incorporate the 6 there. Now, our 6 is less than. So I'll go to my 6 on y. That's my 6. And it's less than, so this is just a broken line. And we are saying y is less than, so it's taking values of 4, 6 down there. So that's the wanted region. This is the wanted region down there. All this place that is down is wanted. So the unwanted region is the upper top there. So I'm going to shade it like this. Okay, that's the unwanted region there. So we are done with that one. Let's do the last one. Oh, okay, this time around we have got 0 there, so I can go anywhere. This is my x. So I'm positioning my graphs according to the numbers that I have. So I can even use the scale of 1, -1, -2, -3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, like that. Okay, fine. Now let's draw. Where is our x is 0? Our x is 0 on our y is 0 on x line there, and if you are given x is equals to 0, it is on this line. Okay, and if you are given that y, if they give you y is equal to 0, it is on this line, like that. Fine. Now let's solve our problem then. Our problem is saying that we have y is greater than 0. So I have to draw first the line of y is greater or equal to 0. So it's on this line on the x-axis. Then when it said it's greater, it's taking values of 1, 2, 3 up there. So that's the wanted region. The unwanted region is this one that I'm shading now. Okay, so this is how you draw these graphs. I don't think we have another question. That is the last one, guys. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video, whereby we'll be looking at the set of solutions where we have a number of graph lines and solving problems. Thank you. Bye bye.